Green packing machine. 60 cases per minute. Fully automatic operation. 20% packaging material savings. Human-machine interface. Auto error detection and alert. Easy maintenance. Famous electrical and servo system. Stable operation. Optimized board feed structure. Servo-controlled feed. Top brand hot melt glue equipment. Neat and attractive packaging. Convenient storage and transport. Industrial vision system. Precise recognition. Zero packaging error. Low energy consumption. Green production. Cost reduction.